Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Urvee and for today's video I have my monsoon travel essentials with me from Myntra. So I just wanted to share those with you. So let's get started. Monsoon season is here. I don't really like monsoon, but I like these products. These products are perfect for monsoon season, and if you want to have, some kind of perfect products for your makeup, for your hair, which is going to keep it in place and you looking perfect, then definitely check this out. To link to all of these products is going to be linked in the description. All of these I have got from Myntra. So yeah, without further ado, let's get ahead. I'll start off with categories. We have skincare, makeup and hair care. Now let's start off with hair care first, because that's how I get ready. I do my hair first. So let's talk about hair care. With hair, we all know the humidity and the moisture which rains bring into the atmosphere, and personally I have dry hair and frizzy hair, and in monsoon it literally becomes 10 times more frizzy. No matter what I do, it literally goes frizzy and I just hate it. So to tame that, to control the frizz and provide some shine and nourishment, I have the BIOLAGE Smooth Proof Avocado Deep Smoothing Serum. Now this smoothens and controls your frizzy hair. What I love about this is that it's really small, it's not sticky as well. The consistency of this is really good. You just take a little bit, warm it up in your hands, and I apply it on my hair before straightening or curling my hair. I usually like to straighten my hair, so yeah, that is what I do. It doesn't have like a strong fragrance, which is what I love. I don't really like too scented products in my skincare and hair care especially. So yeah, I have this one. I have been loving it. So yeah, I would highly recommend you to try it as well if you have dry and frizzy hair like me. Next up, I am going to be traveling, and during traveling I don't really like to take a lot of hair tools with me, but this one I recently discovered this year and have been using it ever since. If you have watched my previous videos, you'll know what hair tool I am talking about, and I am talking about the Philips hair straightening brush. This has literally saved my time, I would say. I used to use a straightening brush. I still do use that, but I would say 95% of the time this is what I use to straighten my hair. Right now, as you can see as well, I don't really like poker straight hair, but I do like the wavy straight kind of hair finish on my hair. So I use this one. I've been using this for over 6 months, I would say, and I have been loving it. I have been using it every single week. Let me just tell you about that, and it has 2 settings, and it literally straightens the hair, like literally straightens one side of my hair within like 10 minutes, which is so good. And you get 2 settings over there. It does get heated up quite a lot, so you need to be a little bit careful, but other than that, it is so easy to straighten your hair. You don't have to take too many smaller particles with like how you have to do with straightener. I just take like bigger particles and just comb through it. So yeah, I've been loving this a lot. This is the Philips Shine straightener, and I'm going to be taking this when I'm going to travel, because again, it's monsoon. This literally makes my entire hair look so freaking good in like 10 minutes. So why not? I'm just gonna take this everywhere with me. Okay, next up, let's talk about skincare. Now this is a moisturizer which I've been using over 3 years now. I've finished multiple tubs of it, and I'm talking about the Chia Seed Advanced Hydro Cream from the Face Shop. This has been a savior for me most of the travel times, and since the consistency of this is so gel like, I have dry skin, like dry as hell skin. During monsoon, I don't really like to use too much of a hydrating kind of a serum or a moisturizer. This is a gel based one and it fits perfectly. It moisturizes the correct amount. My skin doesn't feel sticky or tacky, and even with the moisture in the atmosphere, I feel like this ties in perfectly with my skin, and I highly love it. It's just one tub and I just take it whenever I am traveling. So yeah, love it a lot. The next product which we should never forget is sunscreen. Now we all know while traveling to take a sunscreen, and this and that becomes a lot. But I have a solution for you. So I have the Face Shop's Natural Sun Eco Super Aqua Sunscreen. Now this literally has moisturizer plus sunscreen in it. Now if you are lazy like me, if you forget to wear sunscreen, if you have dry skin but you want like a moisturizer plus sunscreen, just go ahead and use this one. Just take a little bit, apply it all over your face. I love that this does not give you a white cast. Like, I honestly love the fact about it, and this is one of my favorite sunscreens. Face Shop provides some amazing sunscreens, so yeah, I would highly recommend you check it out. If you just don't want a moisturizer, don't want to use a moisturizer, fine, just go for it. And this will, you know, keep you sorted throughout your travel trip, because it will also hydrate and moisturize your face, which is great. Let's talk about my favorite part, which is makeup. Now, for makeup during travel, I don't really like to take a lot of products, nor do I like to do a lot of makeup until and unless it's like a big event or something. If I'm like traveling by the beach or by the mountains, I don't really do a lot of makeup. But if I had to do something, I would take these products with me, especially in monsoon. I'm talking about the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation. Now, I am in the shade 3W1 Tawny. Oh my god, this is one of my favorite foundations. This foundation does not come off. This is waterproof, this is smudge proof. No matter how much ever you get drenched in, you know, monsoons, in the rains, the foundation is not going to come off. I have tried this on, you know, myself. I've tried this foundation out previously by throwing water on my face. But yeah, this foundation, love it. You also get this is a mini size, you also get a bigger size, but I love the mini size for travel purposes. Literally so small, and you just take a little bit, apply it using a beauty blender, and you are done. If you want some coverage, I'm wearing it right now. It gives a good coverage. You can definitely build it up. I've just used it for a sheer coverage. Next up, for blushes, I have the Benefit's BENETINT. Again, I don't really like to take, you know, liquid highlighters and all of that stuff, so I feel like this is a very multi-purpose product. You can use this as a blush, like I've used it. You can also use this as an eyeshadow, as a lip tint, and you'll be good to go. It will give you that glow from within. You do not even need a lot, you know, for it. Like, I feel like it's just such a multi-purpose product and everyone loves it, and yeah, I love it as well, and I'm gonna be taking this with me in my trips. This gives like a perfect glow from within look, which I honestly love about. So you can use this one as well. Mascara is going to be your best friend if you want to look a bit more awake on your travels. So I have the voluminous Lash Paradise mascara over here. This mascara literally is the best mascara, and I have the waterproof version over here. This does not come off, let me tell you, does not come off whatsoever. So this is going to be the perfect for monsoons. No matter what you cry or just get drenched in the rains, your mascara is not going to droop down your eyes, and you're not gonna look like a raccoon or a panda when you use this, because it's just that great. I love the volume that this mascara gives, and it just lengthens and volumizes my lashes really well. So I would highly recommend you, if you want a really good waterproof mascara, just close your eyes and buy this one. Lipsticks are our best friends, and I know you can't just take one lipstick to your trip, but if I had to recommend one, it would be this one from the Faces Canada. Now, this is the Faces Canada Comfy Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade 010, and this is a cute little, look at it, like a rosy lip shade. What I love about this, first of all, it is for 399 rupees, and look how cute the packaging is. I absolutely love this one. It's so tiny, it's so cute. The packaging is chic, cute, everything is cute. Okay, what I love about this is that it's so light on the lips, it's so comfy, it's so matte, and literally the name is Comfy Matte. Comfortable, matte, sits very well, does not come off literally whatsoever, does not come off, and yeah, it glides on really well. So this is why I was honestly so impressed by this lipstick, and I'm gonna take this with me on my trips. So yeah, love this one. I have always been skeptical about doing my makeup while traveling, but you know, these products work, and I would highly recommend you to just go for it and do not think too much about it. So these were my monsoon travel essentials. If you're traveling, I would highly recommend you to check these products out, and again, check the links to all of these products is in the description. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also subscribe to Myntra's channel. Link is in the description for you guys. Let me know what more videos would you like to see next, and I would love to create them for you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.